In this video, I'll be sharing how you can use the Instagram enhanced tagging. You can tag people, you can also invite collaborators. If you're a return subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app, head to your profile, tap on the plus icon to add a new post. Select the post you want to add. You can make a fresh post or reel. I'll be selecting from my gallery. Select next to add a caption for this post or a title. Write your caption here. Assuming I want to write simply how to. Next is to tag people. Tap on here. To tag people to this post, tap on add tag to search for a user. I will simply input the name of the person I want to tag. Assuming I want to tag this person, I will simply select that. If I want to add more people, I will tap on add tag and follow the same process. Okay. I want to tag this person too. I will simply add that. Next is to invite collaborators. Tap on that. If they accept, their username will be added to the reel. It will be shared with their followers and shown on their profile. Tap on add a collaborator. This is where you will search for the person's name and add this collaborator. Once you are done, tap on share. This is how you can use the Instagram enhanced tagging. You can tag people, you can tag collaborators. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one. Please like, share, and subscribe.